Hello and welcome back to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week we discussed the Taxpayer Bill of Rights. This week we are going to attempt to find an answer to a burning question that I am sure many Americans have, and that is, do I have to file taxes when my hobby generates income? So let's get started. Beginning at the IRS homepage, which can be accessed by typing www.irs.gov in the address field of your preferred browser. We are going to type hobby in the search field and click search. Our search results provide us with several articles concerning the topic of hobby. I'm going to select the most up-to-date post, which reads, Hobby or Business, here's what to know about the side hustle. Right away, we see the following paragraph, which reads, whether someone is having fun with a hobby or running a business, if they accept more than $600 for goods and services using online marketplaces or payment apps, they could receive a Form 1099-K. Profits from the sale of goods, including personal items and services, is taxable income that must be reported on tax returns. In addition, we can see a list of other considerations that may help clear up any concerns pertaining to your hobby. Should you receive a Form 1099-K in the mail and wish to know more about the form, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Begin at the IRS homepage. Step 2. Click the File tab. Step 3. Click Business and Self-Employed. Step 4. Click Small Business and Self-Employed. And Step 5. Under the General Topics column, click Understanding Your Form 1099-K. Scrolling through the page, you will find answers to concerns such as what is required to receive a Form 1099-K, what shouldn't be reported, as well as how to report various types of transactions based on the product and/or service. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something that will boost your confidence this tax season. I'll see you next week.